Storing objects in HTML5 local storage. I'd like to store a JavaScript object in HTML5 local storage, but my object is apparently being converted to a string. I can store and retrieve primitive JavaScript types and arrays using local storage, but objects don't seem to work. Should they? Here's my code. The console output is type of test object, object test object properties, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 type of retrieved object, string value of retrieved object, object. It looks to me like the setItem method is converting the input to a string before storing it. I see this behavior in Safari, Chrome, and Firefox, so I assume it's my misunderstanding of the HTML5 web storage spec, not a browser-specific bug or limitation. Looking at the Apple, Mozilla and Mozilla Again documentation, the functionality seems to be limited to handle only string key value pairs. A workaround can be to stringify your object before storing it, and later parse it when you retrieve it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.